In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and edit your company information in QuickBooks Online. Getting these details right ensures your invoices, reports, and customer communications look professional and accurate from day one. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon, also labeled Settings. Under the Your Company section, select Account and Settings. On the left-hand side, choose the Company tab. This is the central place where you'll manage your company information. Let's begin with Company Info. Click Edit next to Name and enter your company name exactly as you want it to appear on invoices, estimates, and reports. Then click Edit next to Address and type your business address. This is what your customers will see on your sales forms, so double-check spelling and formatting. Next, click Edit next to Email and enter the business email you want to use for communications. Choose an inbox you or your team actively monitor. Click Edit next to Phone to add your contact number, which helps customers reach you quickly. If you have a website, click Edit next to Website and add your URL to give customers another way to learn about your business. Finally, click Edit next to Industry and select the option that best fits what you do. This helps QuickBooks tailor defaults and reporting suggestions. After you finish each of these, click Save to lock in the changes. Now move to Legal Info. Click Edit next to Legal Business Name and enter the official name registered for tax and compliance purposes. If applicable, enter your tax identification number. This helps keep your records consistent for filings. Click Edit next to Business Type and select the structure that matches your organization, such as sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation. Then click Edit next to Legal Address and enter the address associated with your legal entity. This may differ from your business address, and that's okay. Remember to click Save after each update. Next, update customer contact info. Click Edit next to Customer Email and set the email address customers should use to contact you. Many businesses choose a shared inbox, so inquiries don't get missed. Click Edit next to Customer Address to define the address that appears on your customer-facing documents. Again, review for accuracy and formatting. Click Save after each change. When everything looks correct, click Done to close the settings. That's all it takes to keep your company details consistent across QuickBooks. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.